kooli sumedatel treppidel on komberdanud igasuguseid. Vana parketi kulunud plekkidel palju unustatud lugusid. Sina, Karolina, üks neist, kes viiulikastiga komberdanud seal. Sina, Karolina, üks neist, keda vaid südametuttav teab. Peened sõrmed kohvrisangad, valge nägu hämaras. Sul kuskil tund vist algas, selgelt silmad säramas.
Andres, Stefan. Svetlana. I'm sorry.
Sister that you know. Promise your sister. Promise your sister. That you never go. And you never go back. That you never go back. That you never go back. That you never go. Promise your sister. Promise your sister that you never. Your sister. That there's no way. And you try to remember. You try to remember. You try. And you try to remember that you never go back. Try to remember. And you try to remember. Never go back. You try to remember. And you try to remember that you never. And you try. He kissed you on the lips and opened your eyes. You had to catch your breath, that's such a surprise. And you almost forgot how it feels to live in his life. He pulled you closer, said he'll never let go. You couldn't trust him, but you never said no. In that moment he made you forget how it feels when he's gone. But now you're looking like you really like him. But now you're feeling like you miss him. You're speaking like you really love him. And now you're dancing like you need him. Put it in your pocket, don't tell anyone like caviar. You can be the one you run to, the one that saves you.